C is cat, cats can purr. D is dog, dogs can run. E is elephant, elephants are big. F is fish, fish can swim. G is goat, goats can climb. H is horses can gallop. I is ice cream, ice cream is cold. J is jeep, jeeps can drive. K is kited, kites fly high. L is lion, lions are strong. M is monkey, monkeys can climb. N is nose, nose helpless swell. O is orange, oranges are juicy. P is panda, pandas love bamboo. Q is queen, queens wear crowns. R is rabbit, rabbits can hop. S is sun, the sun shines bright. T is tiger, tigers are strong. U is umbrella, umbrellas keep books dry. V is van, vans can carry people. Wow is wide, whales live in the ocean. X is loud and full and quick use it. Y is yak, yaks have long hair. Z is zebra, zebras have stripes. Hop. A for apple, wow, shiny red to see. B for ball, glove, bounce it happily. C for cat, purring soft and sweet. D for dog, old, wagging little feet. E for elephant, H, walking nice and slow. F for fish, H, where the rivers flow. G for goat, nest, climbing up the hill. H for hat, H, wear it if you will. I for ice cream, vodka, chilly little treat. J for jam, bite, fruity, nice and sweet. K for kite, bait, dancing with the breeze. L for lion, islet, roaring through the trees. M for mango, H, growing in the sun. N for nest, H, home for everyone. O for orange, trap, juicy, fresh and round. P for parrot, H, making funny sounds. Q for queen, dim, smiling with delight. R for rabbit, orange, hopping left and right. S for sun, nesta, lighting up the day. T for train, H, chugging on its way. U for umbrella, keeping raindrops out. V for van, H, rolling all about. W for water, sparkling crystal clear. X for Santa Pan, happy tunes to hear. Y for yak, bud, fluffy, strong and grand. Z for zebra, A, stripes across the land. A is apple, apples a hearty fruit. Zebras have stripes. Hop, 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 hop. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and play. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Sing out loud. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Learning letters feels just right. A to Z, hey hooray. Let's play together every day. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and play. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Sing out loud. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Learning letters feels just right. A to Z, hey hooray. Let's play together every day. Dun, da, 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 dun, 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 da, dun, da, 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 dun, 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 da. Dun, da, 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 dun, 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 da, dun, da, 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 dun, 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 da. E is for eagle, flying so high. B is for balloon, touching the sky. C is for clouds, floating so slow. D is for churn that starts to go. Dun, da, 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 dun, 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 da, dun, da, 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 dun, 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 da. E is for eagle, up in the air. F is for feather, flying everywhere. G is for glide through open blue. H is for helicopter view. Dun, da, 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 dun, 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 da, dun, da, 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 dun, 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 da. I is for island, far below. J is for jet, ready to go. K is for kite, dancing in the wind. L is for landing, where flights begin. Dun, da, 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 dun, 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 da, dun, da, 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 dun, 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 da. M is for moon, shining at night. M is for night sky, full of light. O is for orbit, circling Earth. P is for pilot, showing worth. Q is for quiet, sky so wide. R is for rocket, taking pride. S is for stars that sparkle bright. T is for thunder in stormy night. U is for up, we always fly. V is for vapors in the sky. W is for wind that helps us glide. X is for extra height, we ride. Y is for yellow, sun up above. Z is for zenith, the sky we love. A is apple, apples are hearty fruits. B is ball, balls can bounce. C is cat, cats can purr. D is dog, dogs can run. E is elephant, elephants are big. F is fish, fish can swim. G Zebras have stripes.